Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your data is safe. Copy anything you must keep to Google Drive or an external disk. Once done, sign out of the Chromebook and remove accessories and the power cable so the device is ready. Now power off completely. You need to enter recovery or perform a factory reset key combo. Press ESC plus refresh and hold power until recovery appears. This begins the removal of user accounts and credentials, so make sure you're ready to wipe the local profile. You will now execute the actual reset. From the sign-in screen, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R to open Power Wash. Choose Restart, then confirm Power Wash to erase accounts and local data. If you used recovery mode instead, insert a recovery USB and follow prompts to reinstall Chrome OS. That also removes user profiles and passwords. Make sure the battery is charged or plugged in during this process. Once the device restarts, it will boot into the initial setup flow. Once the system restarts, you complete the out-of-box setup. Choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and either add a new Google account or skip for now. If the Chromebook is enterprise managed, it may re-enroll and restore restrictions. Contact the organization to remove management. If the power wash or recovery failed, recreate the recovery USB on another computer and repeat the recovery sequence. Make sure the USB is a stable, correctly imaged drive. That usually resolves persistent reset errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.